Man, look, so look, check this out, man. This is what happens when you got too much power in your goddamn car. My man done lost the whole flare, bro. Bro, man, look. Bruh, too much power in that thing already, bro. This thing right here just flew off. That's crazy.
So as you guys can see, how this is like literally like seamless. Like literally you can't fit your finger in there or a nail. That's how tight that fitment is. My bad. That in the rest of this video. Alright, so now what I'm about to do is I'm about to take this JB Weld right here and pop it open. and start putting it on the car. All right, you guys, so I am at my lockup. So right now, I didn't actually stick it on there yet, but you know, I'm about to show you guys on the other side, like even like right here. You guys can see it. Okay. All right, let's go on the other side so I can show you. So as you guys can see, how this is like literally like seamless. Like literally, you can't fit your finger in there or a nail. That's how tight that fitment is. My bad. Let me see. There's a part on. Yeah, here we go. Right here. So, like right here, this is what happens when you use Vicris's double-sided tape. So, I had to kind of like played with it a little bit just to kind of make it look more flush. But if you do my method, your wide body kit will literally look just like that if you do my method. Vicris, they make it sound good, you know what I'm saying, all that good stuff, but look, your product is not bad, but don't send installation stuff that are not good, because that's gonna make it look like your product is bad. You get what I'm saying? So you guys need to put a disclaimer like, you know, use stronger double 3M tape or something like that, you know, because the kit is not bad. The kit sits flush. It's just the fact of they send you that 3M and thinking that's supposed to be the only thing you need. Like, that's insane to me. Like, their installation video was not very, you know, instructive and stuff like that, but you know, it looks good. Obviously, I don't have it. Ain't that about a bit? You see this? So pretty much, look, that's exactly what happened. You know what I'm saying? That's exactly what happened. This thing was just cause this right here sits at like a scat pack height. Okay, this is 2 inches. Okay, so when I like hit the gas, the back end like kind of like dip and pop this thing off right here. So as you guys can see, that's like a scat pack height right there. But the other sides are like 3 inches high. So I'm gonna lower it to the same height as this, because now I have a better idea. Like, I want it to look like 2 inches. I don't want it too low, because like I said, when you hit a bump, then you gotta cut the fenders. I'm not doing all that. I'm sorry, but I'm just not doing all that. Just to have your car lowered is crazy. Just to scrape up stuff underneath it, it's dumb. No, I have nothing against people who lower their cars, but I'm not lowering my car. Like, that's stupid to me, because when you're driving, it's like if you're going on a long trip, it's gonna be very uncomfortable. Okay, so I'm trying to keep that same energy, you know what I'm saying, to keep a nice, comfortable ride on a long trip. So if I'm going to Cali, Vegas, I don't have to worry about nothing. To me, it's kind of stupid, because you lower your car to damn near, you ain't got no gas. So all my car people, you gonna know. You gonna know. I gotta keep it fun, you guys. I gotta keep it interesting. So without further ado, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Stay positive, stay blessed. Peace.